So hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to make a distance measuring robot with only Arduino Uno and ultrasonic sensor. So without any further delays, let's get started. Friends, I am not going to use any breadboard or jumper wires in it. I will directly use these two things. So let's start. First you have to connect this sensor to this Arduino Uno board. So how you have to connect? So listen carefully. You have to leave the first 3 pins from this section and apply it directly to it. Like this, you can see it. I have left first 3 pins and then to ground 13, 12, 11 I have connected the ultrasonic sensor directly. You have to connect it like this. You can see it. You have to connect it like this only, there should be no mistake in this. So now let's upload the code. So friends, by clicking the link given in description, you will be directed to this page. Now you can see the circuit diagram here. I have shown the same to you. Now we will upload the code. Just open this code. I will copy this complete code. Press Ctrl C to copy. Now open Arduino IDE. You can download it from internet. It's a free software. Now it is opening. The links of downloading Arduino Uno are given in description. Now friends, you have to clear this all and paste that given code here. You can see I have pasted the complete code here. Now you have to connect the Arduino Uno board with your computer by the cable that comes with Arduino Uno. Now you have to click this upload to upload the code. It will ask to save, then click save. It is uploading the code. Wait for a while. Now you can see done uploading here. Now time has come to test. So friends, for testing it, you have to go to this tools and come to this serial monitor. I have kept the object at distance of 11 cm. The first time it will show wrong reading, then it will show correct reading. It is showing 11 cm and I have kept at 11 cm only. So it works like this. So how was this video? Do you like the video? Hit the like button. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.